Good morning, day 12 of 75 Hard. Listen, got a joke for y'all this morning. A vegan, an atheist, a CrossFitter, and someone doing 75 Hard walk into a bar. How do you know? Because they told you. You know, the number one rule of 75 Hard is tell people that you're doing 75 Hard. And here's why that's important. Because nobody really gives a shit, and by the time you're like 2 weeks in, all the people who were all excited for you and said they were supporting you and all that, that times all that kind of goes away, and then it just becomes you versus you, which is all it really is anyway. But we all know that community and support definitely go a long way into helping keep people held accountable and motivated and encouraged and all that stuff. So make sure if you are doing something like this, whether it's this or not, that you do have some other people around you that you can actually rely on for their support. You know, with 75 Hard, there's usually groups of people. I have a group right now that we all kind of check in with each other and all that good stuff. But you got to have some people around you. You don't have to, but it's helpful. Like, I'll do it regardless because that's just who I am. But a lot of other people, like, we need support, and there's nothing wrong with that. So find your people when you're doing stuff like this, and it makes it easier to know that there's shared suffering happening. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see y'all later. All right, folks, day 12 is a wrap. It's all just blending in. It all feels like the same day over and over again. Tomorrow's the weekend, so guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna go work out, I'm gonna drink a ton of water, I'm gonna pee a whole lot, I'm gonna read a book, I'm gonna pee some more, I'm gonna drink some more water, pee, you know the drill. But that's the jam. You have to, at some point, embrace the monotony of this, embrace the mundane, and just fall into that routine. Get up and execute, get up and front load as much as you can, as soon as you can, so the day doesn't get away from you, so you're not drinking a half a gallon of water at 8 o'clock at night, and that's what you do. This is what you do now. It's your life now. 75 days. Got my little nugget. I was gonna get him on camera. He's about to run away. Anyway, y'all keep crushing it. Make good choices. Have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.